Hello everyone. So we discuss about the Microsoft Word with my groupmates Clarence and Elijah. And my name is Justin Bridger. So let's move on. What is Microsoft Word? Um, Microsoft Word is a word processing software developed by Microsoft, and it is widely used for creating, editing, formatting, and sharing documents. It is part of the Microsoft Office suite and is available on Windows, Mac, and online via Microsoft 365. In history, Microsoft Word Processor software launched in 1983 by Microsoft Corp- Corporation. Software developers by Richard Brody and Charles Simonyi um, joined the Microsoft team in 1981. And in 1983, they released the multi-tool word computers that run a version of the Unix operating system or OS. Later, that year the program was rewritten to run on personal computers. Um, Personal computers such as IBM PC under Microsoft Word of DOS, and the DOS is a disk operating system or MS-DOS and was renamed by a Microsoft Word. The product was in direct competition with WordPerfect and WordStar, both of which were introduced for PC in 1980. And so we discussed the tips and tricks using the Microsoft Word.
Purpose of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is used for processing application designed to help user create, edit, format, and share documents efficiently. One of the purpose of Microsoft Word is creating document, letter, report, resume, and more. Microsoft Word allows user to create different type of document such as business letter, detailed report, professional resume, and more, making it a versatile tool for various writing needs. Next is editing and formatting text, font, colors, sizes, and style. With Microsoft Word, user can easily modify text by changing font, adjusting size, applying colors, and using style such as bold, italic, and underline to enhance readability and presentation. Next is inserting image, table, and chart to enhance document. User can add visual element like image, tables, and chart to make their documents more informative, organized, and visually appealing, especially for report and presentation. This is example of inserting tables. Templates. Using templates for quick and professional document creation, Word offer a variety of pre-designed templates for resume, invoice, newsletter, and more, allowing user to quickly create well-structured and professional-looking document without starting from scratch. This is an example of templates of resume. Next is collaboration. Microsoft allow multiple users to edit a document simultaneously. Microsoft Word's collaboration feature enables multiple people to work on the same document at the same time, making it easier to review, edit, and provide feedback in real time. This is what happens when I send the link to my friend so we can edit it together in Microsoft. Next is exporting files in various formats. Documents created in Word can be saved or exported in multiple formats, including PDF for easy sharing, documents for folder editing, and other formats suitable for different needs. I am Clarence Banal.
Hi, my name is Elijah Ezekiel P. Carandan, and in this part of the video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Word shortcuts such as copy, paste, cut, and many more.